There's such a discipline, then you will catch hold of me from where, which part of the state, which district. My civil office hails from Vijayanagar district. Vijayanagar, we studied in Bodan, but I am hails from Anandapur. And also Petekalar, or something. Then he catch hold of me, better too. Then he catch hold of me every day. He knows that this boy will come. He is a senior councillor by that time. He never used to left the premises before 5. Then he asked me to sit in the car. And he used to take me to the office without dropping me in between. Just let him come to my office. Like that, he slowly introduced to the library and all these things. Then he adopted me, trained me. This is a village. Like that, he has introduced to such a discipline, you know, for hourly where you can find. This time you can catch hold of the library. Then outside clerks or stamp vendors used to say, when Ganga Rao or some advocate is there, now you can find him in library. Go there, ask the librarian, he will show you. This time 12 o'clock you go to the bar association clerk, he will show you. Without all these things, I spend discipline required. Discipline, hard work. Like that, everyone it is such a persistence to practice. You can certainly grow. If there is a potential, in you there is a lot of potential, but you have to use that potential without discourage, frustration, you can't say that all these things have a potential, immense potential, but have a goal. But don't forget the goal. In between, if you quarrel, one wants to go to the High Court to appear in one case. If in between, if you quarrel with the automan for the sake of fair, what will happen? You are forgotten your goal to reach the High Court of Andhra Pradesh to represent, unnecessarily indulge in the fair with the auto person and get delayed, quarrel. Otherwise, you will be put in a police station. But you should be very cautious in your movements and goal. For which you have discipline and all these things, multi-discipline. That's why I say read and read and read. Provision of law before drafting the. You have to assist. My senior used to, because I am always available for him, he used to address the case, what's a big case or small case. He is only the man who is available. Other juniors are all senior juniors. They know when the senior enters into the office. Before that, they used to come out sometimes late. By that time, they will miss the bundle. He used to interest me. By that time, client is there, bundle is there. I occupy the best chair of the senior because I am first there. Nobody is there. They thought that he is only the senior. Others are all juniors. But I have given such an impression to the clients. Even though I am a most junior in the office. I used to read entire library where the book is there. My senior depends on me for the book. We can't ask the other senior. Then he used to say that get that book, Ganga Rao. Then I know where that book is also. Every library, where is the book is there, where is the circulars are there, where is the old bundle is there, relevant. Then I used to make him only dependent on me only. Then what will happen to me? For everything he used to say, like Rama used to say, Ganga Rao, Ganga Rao, Ganga Rao. Then when I left the office, he asked me to stay back for some months, but agreement is 3 years. You have to leave the office. There is no time for me to work like a bonded labor now. How to make the senior to depend on you like that? He will say, then they will start, instead of giving some fees, he used to pay 25%. Yeah. Like that, you have to make the senior to depend on you instead of paying monthly rolls. He will share with you 25% fees. All it depends on your how to catch hold of the situation. how to improve yourself, how to enlighten yourself and reach the goals, the status. Among the 10 new seniors, those are juniors of him, and the last junior, but I am a postgraduate in commerce, no problem. But I have to see that no seat for me. If I go late and stand, all the clients, what will they think of? The black guy. If I go early, I will catch one of the beautiful chair, table, and a prominent place. Then he used to start it. I am the senior. My senior comes only after senior goes and enters everything. He will come late by 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That's why you have to inculcate how to develop your profession. At most, you have to love the profession. Love. You have to show that is only the profession. Depend on him. Speak, walking, sleep, everything you have to sleep with the files only. You know that this is a profession, it is jealous mistress. You could have been out from your seniors, professors. You have to share your entire juniorship with the files. And you have to work live like a hare and work like a bull. It requires a lot of work in the initial days to withstand in the court. Take small tiffin, not costly tiffin, sir. You have to take small tiffins, and I said that live like a hare, work like a bull, then only you can improve. You have to create space in the profession by yourself. There is no godfather to create. Whenever the opportunity comes, you are expected to be ready with fight, with all your equipment, skills, knowledge, and advocacy. You have to follow the senior always. Prepare the brief. My senior is doing this case in particular case today. By the time you have to read everything, simply or because this brief is not interested in you, but you are visiting the senior's office by 7 o'clock. Senior goes to the walking, thereafter some other client. You have to read this brief also. And also your brief. Vacation comes, you sit in along with the senior and follow the brief how he is presenting and all these things. You have to read and read. That is only the methods of learning and skill development especially and advocacy. If you follow the senior or other senior, how best he is doing and how he is now. Some seniors, they will prepare the brief thoroughly, but sometimes they won't argue the case. Why? They have the information that he has quarreled with the wife today. That much of information, who tells him? He has acquaintance with the subordinate staff. If you go early, Jesse is there in the chamber, he will outside. Sir, today why you came so early? My officer is not in the mood to listen you. Then what happened? Everything died. No. Now today he quarreled with the madam. Then better to take the adjournment. How to get adjournment for that day? Because he went to the court, he is in the habit of reaching the court by 10 o'clock. If everyone goes to the 10 o'clock, you will know how the court will function today. What is happening in the court. Before 10 o'clock to 10:30, everything what is going to happen, you know that. That's why early. That's why be courageous. Be courageous. And he should be a man of rule of law. A very young blood should have a shot of this country should run as a rule of law country. Why you should follow how to implement the rule of law? You have to become a good advocate and take up the profession, challenging. We have to enforce the rule of law in the country. You are only the advocate for which run this country as a rule of law, then you have to take up the profession, challenging profession, and assist your clients and fight for the rule of law as an advocate. Advocate profession gets you so much of what is this? In the society, we get a lot of respect for the lawyer. Even though you are walking, you fight for the justice and right. With this, we practice out. I have taken your valuable time with chatting.